Brianna Olsen lies to the judge's face after leaving baby W in the care of Santos' family for Christmas. Court documents from a January hearing between Brianna and 2K have officially revealed that Brianna left Winter with complete strangers and was nowhere to be found. The judge did confront Brianna about taking baby W to Santos' family. Brianna admits that she did, saying, "I took him to see my parents-in-law. Yes, and his future cousins. Absolutely. It was a holiday. I'm sorry, you never said this before, and I never thought anything was wrong with that. And there's nothing in the order against letting my son see his future. What would they be? Grandparents-in-law?" Brianna also says that Winter was not left alone, and that she's always with her son. When the judge asked Brianna, "So you didn't leave him?" she denies it again and says that she never left. Mind you, there's a whole police report of the welfare check where the police officer states that she was not present, and the same officer will be testifying in their upcoming April court date. But the judge was not having it. She reminded Brianna that there is a strict prohibition against having Santos around baby Winter because of the threats Santos made on TikTok against 2K. Brianna's lawyer also revealed that Brianna had suffered a miscarriage in September but got pregnant immediately after. That's when the judge realized that Brianna was not as heavily pregnant as she thought and could actually travel to see baby W. The judge admits that she had moved the hearing to accommodate Brianna's pregnancy and doesn't understand how Brianna can go to Paris but not travel to see her son. Brianna responds that she doesn't go to Paris every month. Girl. To which the judge responds that she's completely missed the point. Brianna did explain to the judge that the reason she's not visiting Winter in Dallas these next few months is because she's on medication for preeclampsia and needs to be near her OBGYN. Mind you, this girl just went to Disneyland and walked all around the park and was in a car for 4 hours. Brianna says it's very important to her to stay near for her current pregnancy and that her doctor recently prescribed her medicine. Remember, this was back in January. Brianna's not really saying that she was officially diagnosed with preeclampsia, but says it is a concern and they have her on medicine for it. A quick search will let you know that that medicine is just baby aspirin. The judge then tells Brianna that if the doctors clear her for traveling, she should exercise her right, and that Santos can be present to help her travel, but not be present when she's with Winter. Brianna responds again, saying that she's not going to go and see Winter while she's pregnant. The judge does stop her and tells her that she's not extending any visits. The schedule stays the same and Santos is still not allowed to be present during the visitations. The judge ends the hearing, telling them both that they aren't going to listen to her either way because they make too much money on TikTok talking about each other. She calls their behavior troubling and not ideal, and admit she might have been too lenient with Brianna in the past. Shit, finally. The next scheduled court date is on April 2nd. Both sides will be presenting their physical receipts and witnesses to the judge to decide the future of the custody and the restraining order. What do y'all predict will happen at the 2nd of April court hearing? Let's talk about it in the comments.